Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can make YouTube video thumbnail in the Canva application. So in this video I will completely guide you how you can make easily YouTube video thumbnail. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Canva application. And here you will see search options. Click on it and write here YouTube banner or YouTube thumbnail. So after writing YouTube banner or YouTube thumbnail, and you will see a blank template options, and there are different ready-made template. So you can also edit ready-made template for your YouTube video. So firstly, I will show you how you can make new template from the blank, and later I will show you how you can edit ready-made template for your YouTube video. So firstly, I will show you how you can make new template from the blank template. So click on plus options, and here you can see the background color of template is white. So if you want to change the color, so you can see color options. Click on it, and here you will see different color options. So you can select any color which is suitable for your YouTube video. So for example, I selected this color. So after selecting the color, you can see the options of element. Click on it, and here you can see different element, and you can also search any element from here. So here you can see different element. For example, I am selecting this element. So after selecting the element, I will adjust the size and place of this element. So in this way you can select the size of the element. So after selecting the size, if you want to move this element, and just hold on it and move it. So in this way you can move it anywhere which you want to move. So after selecting the size and place, and if you want to change the color, just click on it, and you will see color options. Click on it, and here you can select any color which you want to select. So if you want to add new element, just click on it, and here you will see duplicate options. So click on here, and you will see duplicated element is found. So if you want to add more element, just click on it and you can duplicate it. So in this way you can duplicate element according to you. So you can also adjust the size. So in this way you can add element. So after adding element, if you want to add text, then click on text, and here you will see add heading, add subheading options. So click on it, and here you can see when I will click on it, I can move it. So if I want to edit it, so for example I want to write here how to make YouTube thumbnail. So after selecting the, so after writing the text, so you can also see font options, text style, and font size and color options. So if you want to change the font options, so you can change fonts of this text. So for example, when I will select this font, and this font will be changed. So if you want to go back, then click on here. So in this way you can select fonts of the text. If you want to change the text style, just click on it, and you can change the text style. So in this way you can change the text style, And if you want to change the font size, just click on it and you can select the size of font. So guys, in this way you can change the size of font. So after changing, just duplicate this text and move in the new element. After that, click on it and write here how to make YouTube. So you can see I have written YouTube in the new element, and then again duplicate this and move in the new element and just press on it, and you will see I can write new text in here. So you can see I have written the text. So if I want to change the color of text, just click on that text which I want to change the color. So after that you can see color options. So here you can change the color of text. So guys, in this way you can change the color of text. So if you want to change the element color, just click on the element, and when you will click on element, and you can change the color of element. So you can see the element color is changed. So in this way you can change other element color. So guys, in this way you can change the color of text and change the color of element. So after changing the color and writing the text, if you want to add your pictures, you can see gallery options. Click on it, and here you will see images options, and select the pictures which you want to add, and then click on add to page, and your page will automatically added in this thumbnail. So after that, if you want to change the style, you can change here, and you can also add effect color, and if you want to crop these pictures, then you can crop it. So for cropping these pictures, adjust cropping. So after cropping, you can adjust the size of pictures. So you can see in this way you can adjust the size of pictures. So guys, in this way you can add pictures in the thumbnail, and you can change the color of background, of element, of text, and how you can change the font size, and how you can add the text in the thumbnail. So guys, I will show you the another features. You can see upload options. So when you will click on it, and you will see the options of upload file. So when you will click on it, and you will see three lines on the top left corner, and here you can see images, videos, and recent. And if you want to add pictures, and just click on pictures, and here you can select any pictures which you want to add in the thumbnail. So for example, I want to add these pictures. You can see this picture is being uploading. So After uploading, you just click on it and this will be added in your thumbnail. So in this way you can adjust the size and place of your pictures. So guys, if you want to go back, just click on it. When you will click on these options, it will go forward. So in this way you can go forward and backward. After making the thumbnail, if you want to download this thumbnail, then you will see share options, click on it, and here you will see download options, click on it, and after that you will see file type, select the file type. For example, I am selecting JPG, you will also select JPG. So after that you will select the quality. So in this way this thumbnail is downloading. So I will show you in the gallery, so it will take some second. It depends upon your internet speed. If you have good internet speeds, then it's just take 2 seconds for downloading. So you can see save to gallery. So when I will open the gallery, this thumbnail is downloaded. So guys, in this way you can make thumbnail in the Canva and download thumbnail from the Canva. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.